Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Realme Narzo 50. So we have a Google Lens on this device, so there is two ways for that. The first one is by opening the Gallery app, then look for the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and tap on the Google Lens. And now our searching process starting automatically, and we can looking for similar or the same photos in the Google database. That was our first way. The second way is by opening the web browser. To do that we have to open the google.com. And now it's very necessary, switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to gallery before, and now choose the photo from the Google Photos, like maybe this one. And now, this is the same process and working exactly in the same way. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.